These Nazhura Padded Folding Chairs are built for comfort but designed to handle real use, indoors or outdoors. Each chair has a cushioned seat and a padded backrest, and the steel frame uses a triangle support structure with welded cross braces, allowing it to hold up to 650 pounds. The non slip foot pads keep the chair steady on grass, concrete, or patio surfaces, making it great for outdoor events. They fold flat, set up in seconds, and give you sturdy, reliable seating wherever you need it. What makes them even better is the versatility. Use them indoors, outdoors, on the patio, or anywhere you need quick seating that doesn't feel cheap. These chairs are built to hold up over time, stay comfortable through long use, and make setup fast and stress free. If you want folding chairs that actually feel good to sit in and are made to last, these Nazhara chairs are a great pick for everyday use.